Hello everyone! My name is Aryan Bigur, and as you can see on the screen, our topic today is the impact of veganism. So, let's get started. First thing first, I want to ask you guys, does anyone here know what veganism is? Yeah. What? Yes, nothing it. That is correct. So, to be exact, according to the first modern-day vegan, Donald Watson, and the founders of the Vegan Society, veganism is a philosophy and lifestyle that avoids all form of exploitation or cruelty to animals, whether it's for food, clothing, and any other form. People who practice veganism are called vegans. For your information, in Indonesia, there are approximately 2 million vegans. A vegan diet includes only plant foods such as vegetables, fruits, beans, and nuts. People who follow a vegan diet don't eat a food that came from animals, including milk products, eggs, and honey. One thing to keep in mind if you want to be a vegan is the importance of choosing the right food, as there is a risk of iron and vitamin B12 deficiencies, which can make you susceptible to anemia. There are a few reasons why people choose to be vegan. First, ethical reason. For vegan, it seems unethical to exploit animals for human need, because they think that every creature has the right to live in prosperity. Second, environmental reason. Vegans believe that their lifestyle can significantly reduce the amount of waste and pollution compared to conventional farming. And third, social influence. Many celebrities and influencers on social media shows that being a vegan is beneficial and does not limit one's potential. Apart from these 3 reasons, there are other motivations such as health benefit, religious beliefs, and more. So basically, these days, why more and more people are becoming vegan is because the environment is increasingly supportive and more open. During this presentation, you might be thinking, vegan and vegetarian sounds pretty similar, right? But there is actually a difference between those two. And I want to ask you guys, can anyone here tell me what the main difference between a vegan and vegetarian is? No? It's okay, let me explain. So, a vegetarian doesn't eat animal flesh, such as cow, chicken, or fish. A vegan is a stricter vegetarian who not only say no to flesh, but they also avoid consuming dairy, eggs, and any other ingredients derived from animals. So a vegetarian can still eat cheese or drink milk and yogurt, but a vegan cannot. So in a simple way, vegans are stricter while vegetarians are more flexible. Veganism has a significant impact on various aspects of our life, from personal health to global sustainability. Firstly, by adopting vegan lifestyle can have profound effect on individual health. Research suggests that a well-planned vegan diet rich in fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes may lower the risk of chronic disease such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Secondly, veganism plays a crucial role in environmental conservation. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emission, deforestation, and water pollution. By choosing plant-based food, vegans significantly reduce their carbon footprint and alleviate pressure on natural resources. Lastly, veganism aligns with ethical principles of justice and compassion for animals. By rejecting the mistreatment and exploitation of animals, whether it's for food, clothing, or entertainment, vegans advocate for a more humane and compassionate world. In conclusion, veganism isn't just about eating fruits, vegetables, beans, and nuts. It's also about how we treat animals, the environment, our health, and to keep the earth sustainable. Of course, there are pros and cons about this, and a lot of research is needed on the way, but in the end, it's up to each person. Nah, jadi sedikit rekap dalam bahasa Indonesia, tadi saya menjelaskan tentang veganisme. Veganisme itu adalah sebuah gaya hidup yang menolak segala bentuk eksploitasi ke hewan, baik itu untuk makanan, pakaian, dan lain sebagainya. Oleh karena itu, orang yang mengaplikasikan veganisme itu disebut vegan, mereka itu beralih ke tanaman. Jadi mereka itu kayak cuma makan sayur. Mirip sama vegetarian, cuma bedanya kalau vegan itu lebih ketat, ya, seperti itu. Dan veganisme ini memiliki banyak sekali impact di kehidupan, baik itu sosial, lingkungan, ataupun kesehatan. Nah, tapi masalahnya sekarang ini masih banyak sekali pro dan kontranya. Oleh karena itu masih diperlukan riset, dan yang lebih pentingnya lagi, pada akhirnya kita nggak bisa memaksakan semua orang itu untuk menjadi vegan, karena pada akhirnya semua balik lagi ke keputusan masing-masing orang. I hope this presentation helps us understand what vegan stand for and advocate us to encourage us to protect our beloved earth and its creature together. And that's the end of my presentation. Hope you like it. Thank you.